Hello people, so this is my third video of the day, and I have to say, like I began these videos saying, you can hear the background, there's some automobile in the background, but people, my dad was saying that maybe I should shoot with a professional camera, and honestly people, I don't have the budget for all of that, and moreover, if I were to go to a certain place and do a formal shooting, I need someone else to come with me. I mean, like generally someone to hold the camera while I speak. So all of that right now, it's not possible, it's not practical, like thing. But so I'm not letting go of this dream of YouTube altogether, because I'm making these cute little videos because they make me happy. I People do all kinds of things for happiness. I at least make only YouTube videos. So yeah, so that's why this is my apology for such bad quality videos, but no, but I enjoy it. So anything that you enjoy is worth pursuing. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.